Hello friends, today I want to show you how to install Free Fire game without passing through the Play Store and posting your data, downloading the raw file from the Play Store, which may not be completed and stop on the way and still suffer you for nothing. Maybe the game will not still play. So today I want to provide you with a download link of the game called Free Fire and how to install the OBB file and the game itself to run on an Android device. So let's quickly get started. So you have to download these two files from this video description link. Download links are provided. You open the first link, which is the game, and the second link, which is the zArchiver Pro, which you use to activate the game. So let's get started. It's downloading. You have to wait depending on your network. Click download. Unless you have Mega, you can download from Mega. You click open, click allow. The thing you downloaded should be in downloads or in Mega. So see, the file is downloaded in downloads, so I have to quickly extract the file. Extract here. You have to wait while extraction is completing. So I'm done with extraction. So I'm going to copy the OBB to OBB folder in my Android folder. Look at how I'm going to do it. This one that is not labeled is the data file. So you need to copy it to data. You can do it from here.
The time is 23 o'clock.
No need copy, just cut. Then click here. Click divide storage. Then look for Android. Then data. Click OK. If you're using Android 11 or later, this is what you get. So you choose this folder, allow, then you'll be able to have access here. Then click this icon here. You wait while it moves successfully. Remember, you are moving the data file. After moving the data file, you are going to be moving the OBB file. After moving the OBB file, you can now install the game to enable it work very perfectly without telling you to download some things from the Play Store. Even if it tells you, means that you are going to download maybe the username column or something like that, but that will not take much of your time, as in when you are downloading the full package from Google Play. So I have other videos in my channel which will be of help for you. Do not forget to subscribe and like my videos and share it with your friends. This is the OBB file, so I have to move it to OBB, device memory, Android, OBB. Click OK and click here, Android, OBB. Then you can paste here what's going on. Downloads, Free Fire, OBB, cut, OBB, Android, OBB, paste. Yeah. OBB done. Now you can install the game. You can install the game Free Fire. You must have your data enabled so that you'll be able to authenticate with the internet, because this game plays with internet. So you must have the data, your data enabled. Then you can sign in using your Google account or any of the account option you see. signing in with Google. So there's none of my accounts here, so no need again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. Bye.